Minasan, konnichiwa. Miku fan USA desu. Dakara ni nichi watashi ni uketorimashita. 2 days, I should speak just English, 2 days before or after I received the last box, I received another one of my 7 Hichi packages that I've been waiting for. So again, I have no idea what this is, so we'll find out together when we open it together, okay? Daijoubu desu ka? Daijoubu. Okay, so it could be one of 7 different things that I have on order. I bet this box came with the same delivery as the last box. It probably came over on the same ship. But it arrived 2 days later, and this one came via UPS as opposed to FedEx on the last one, so wakaranai. I have no idea what it is. So let's open it together, okay? Anata wa genki desu ka? Watashi wa genki desu. Because I get to open a box. So it's from Tokyo Otaku Mode again. But this one is lightweight, so it's got to be an Android. I'm hoping. Or a figure. So we have the standard Tokyo Otaku Mode always puts a little thank you note in with the invoice, which I think is pretty cool. So I won't even look at what it is. I don't even want to see. So it's a figure. It's definitely a figure. Oh, I know which figure this is. Oh, I've been waiting for a long time for this. Oh, it's very hontou ni sugoi. It's the 1/7 figure Bishoujo ReMIX series. It's Miku with bright purple hair. Wow, the box is hontou ni sugoi. So it's the Bishoujo mix. So let's see. When did I? Oh, and she's got a guitar. She's playing a guitar. Sugoi. Hontou ni sugoi. Yay. I'll take shashin of this when I open it. Wow, I've been waiting a long time for this figure. Let's see how long. The Nendoroids are not coming. Woo. This was kind of expensive. I ordered it on April 14th of 2020. Oh, there goes the camera. Go Manasai. The camera just fell off the tripod. Go Manasai. Okay, wow. I'm glad it didn't fall all the way down to the floor. Go Manasai. Okay, so I ordered this on April 14, 2020. Estimated shipping date of October of 2020. And I just got it a couple days ago. Yeah, right. It was $170. So it's not the cheapest figure out there, but she is so unique. So I can't wait to take shashin for you. I'll take shashin for you. And I'll post them with the video. But yay! You know, October or February, one or the other. And oh, it's Valentine's Day today. So happy Valentine's Day, everyone. But, okay. So that's it. The 1/7 scale Miku figure Bishoujo ReMIX series. Yay! Jane, matane! Ganbatte ne! Oh yes, and this is I took out my Miku Expo Taiwan shirt just for the occasion. But, oh, I can't wait to open up this figure because it's hontou ni sugoi. Okay, matane. Wow, she is stunning in the sunlight. If you could see all the different parts to her. She's so brightly colored too. Yeah, it's hontou ni sugoi. The hand painting is exceptionally well done. There are so many details with her hair flying off and in tight curls. Yeah, it's amazing. The guitar glistens in the sunlight, which is also just striking, amazing. Yeah, really amazing figure. I have a lot of Miku figures. This one is different. Here, let's see if I can. Really, the guitar glistens in the sunlight. And all the details, so many details. I mean, this guitar is amazing. Wait, I lost the guitar. There it is. She's even got a... I can't quite focus on it. She's got a guitar pick on seemingly real strings. I mean, it's perfect in every single detail. Amazing. And the way her kind of cape billows out is like the wind is blowing is amazing. And her little sly look, her eyes are many colored. Wow. Amazing. And her tie is flying off with many colors. It's amazing. There's so many details to it. The little hearts on the guitar. Yeah, it's very impressive, man. Wow. That's all I could say. What do you think, Miku Nendoroid? Yeah. Wow.チャンネル30に合わせ